Hello guys, my name is Sakwadi. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process of resetting your Twitter account via phone number with two-factor authentication enabled. Let me bring this scenario. In the event when you are forgetting your password and you want to log into your Twitter account, with two-factor enable, you can use the phone number used as your two-factor authentication phone number to reset your account. So to start, you open any browser of your choice on your computer, then you log into Twitter website, then you log in with your username and click next. Under username, you click on forgetting password, then click on forgetting password. It will prompt you to enter your Twitter username, then you enter your Twitter username, then you click on search to search your Twitter name on your database. So after that, it will prompt you to verify your personal information. Here you need to enter the phone number that you use to register your Twitter accounts. So I enter my phone number that I use to register my Twitter accounts. Then I click on next. After clicking on next, it will prompt you to choose the mode. Then you choose a phone number as a verification code will be sent to your phone number to use to reset your Twitter account. So I tick, then I click on next. Then I go to my phone SMS message. Then I copy the 6-digit code sent by Twitter. Then I copy and verify my Twitter. Here it will prompt me to enter a new password. Then I enter a new password that I want to use. Then I click on reset password to reset my Twitter password. After resetting, it will prompt you the reason why you reset. You click on I forgot my password. Then I click on next. Click on continue to Twitter. Now you can access your Twitter web portal. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon. If the video have helped you, kindly subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.